Hey guys, it's Miss Nair here, and today I'm going to show you how to make some banana pops, some frozen banana pops. So what you will need is some yogurt, some melted chocolate of your choice, some colourful decorations, lollipop sticks, bananas and strawberries. If you don't have lollipop sticks, you can use bamboo skewers, it's up to you. So what I've done is I have cut the banana into 3 pieces and I've then put them on the lollipop stick with the strawberries. These now need to go into the freezer for 1 hour. And when it comes out of the freezer, you can then dip it into the yogurt and it needs to go back into the freezer. And then when it comes out of the freezer, you can dip your the strawberries into your melted white chocolate, sprinkle some decorations on, and put it back in the freezer again to leave overnight, and then you can have them as a healthy snack or fruit. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's come out the freezer. Just remember, before you put it in the freezer, to put it on a baking tray and then just let it freeze. This only took 1 hour, but you can see that I've got some sprinkles on, the banana's been dipped in with the yogurt, and the strawberries have been dipped in chocolate. So I hope you enjoy.